guys, welcome to my channel. We've just come to the Holden Museum again. Unfortunately, you're not allowed to film, take pictures or videos in there, so I was so gutted about that. But I'm allowed to take pictures out here, so I'll just show you the gardens. They've got up at the cafe these cool outdoor games. They've got a giant mini golf here and a luge. So this place is called Hillsborough Holden Museum, and this is one of the most awesome places I've ever been to. So the Holden Museum is over there, and then you've got this awesome mini golf, and then you've got a luge just over here. Anyone would think you're at Australia. It's not going to get you.
It's not real. It's plastic. Look.
Oh, there's actually chickens as well.
Chess. Oh my gosh, it's just a little cafe.
Here's the after the 2006.
Look at this.
I think that's what the bottle is.
Look at them just sitting out in the weather, eh? Millie, can you hear the puppies going mental? Oh, Millie, you got to break it up.
Yeah, now go. Now go.
Don't forget one duck there. Too close.
You like it?
Look, Millie, stand back. Not too close.
You don't want to fall in, Moo.
You'll fall in there with the eels and get good.
Stand back here, Moo. Good girl. They're going to smell, Sean, because there's so many different dogs here. Oh, there's even a water fountain there.
Installed for the Queen.
Really?
Yeah. I reckon it's a
Queen Elizabeth too.
Plymouth Queen Elizabeth too. Look, in that stadium, the Queen came here.
No. Look, you watch the water. See? You make the water come. Whoa! Daddy did it.
You're very high, Millie. Realise that there's all these buttons that you press to bring the water, so now that looks wicked. Yesterday we didn't know that. Little baby ducklings. Oh. No, absolutely not, mate. Whoa! This is a wicked stadium in the middle of this park. Yeah? Pukekura. I don't know why you're fascinated by those. They're the most annoying birds. They run out onto the road when you're driving.
Yeah, so they're the New Zealand version of the kangaroos.
Really?
Yeah.
No.
Who said that?
He's just saying that because they run out on the road.
Me and Snow just ran up that hill. Sean's running it with Bear. Give these dogs a bit of exercise. I reckon it felt good running up there.
Way back around that way to get back to the frickin'
Well,
car.
that I'm guessing that takes you to our road where our car is, wouldn't it?
Might be another road in there.
Oh, there's a farmyard over there, and you've got monkeys.
It's like you're going to be fine. You don't go to the road, there's as much dodgy as there was one at the end of that little car park you pulled the stone and stuff.
Look at the colours. It's pretty. Watch the little stick, Nelly. Look at the colours.
He is. He is.
And the stick, he's coming to say
He's
hello.
come to look at you. He's like a little teddy, isn't he?
Just come to a diner for lunch.
Can't have deluxe nachos. Grab nachos if you want.
Cheeky she's being. She keeps looking at him.
Really just likes ripping the paper off the crayons.
I got an espresso thick shake.
I wanted to get that, but I couldn't.
Yum. Curly fries.
Philly cheesesteak.
Philly cheesesteak. I got eggs Benedict. What are these? Whoa, it's so bumpy.
Oh no. You don't know what was going on. You can hear you from out here, Sophie.
Oh, yeah, true, it does. You might as well just bring the bag right.
What are you doing, Soph?
My brain is so that's the word. And it's like, what?
Snow looks so cute right now. He's just curled up on Sean's pillow and he's sound asleep. Sophie is still awake and it's past 9 o'clock. Millie is still awake and Bear is sleeping right in the middle of my bed.